In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove phone number from your Snapchat. If you open up your Snapchat, get in your profile and tap here on gear on your settings, there will be your mobile number. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove that number from here. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. So if you tap here on your phone number, you can't delete that number from here. There is no such function in the application, but there is another way how to remove that phone number. So first scroll down to the very bottom and here find logout option and tap on that and confirm. And now when I logged out, I need to create new account. For that, type sign up. Don't allow to find new friends, enter here some first name, some last name, and then tap sign up and accept. Select your birthday, confirm your username, or also here you may change it. I wouldn't do that, I just tap continue, and now I need to set a password and then tap continue. And here on that step I need to enter a phone number from my main account. Let me show you how it looks like. And I enter the number from my main account, tap continue. Now I need to enter the confirmation code. I just wait for that. And when I got it, I just enter it. And here tap on skip, skip again, skip. And now new account is registered, and if I tap here on gear, I see the phone number here, but let's go back to my main account, just log out from that account, and let's return to the main account and check if mobile phone is removed. Tap here not now, go to profile, go to settings, and there is no phone number in my main account right here. So that's how it works. I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.